Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Where nature meets modernity, contemporary bathrooms with natural stone. Natural stone elevates a contemporary bathroom design to a whole new level of sophistication. Here's what defines this beautiful and luxurious combination: hallmarks of contemporary style, clean lines and minimalism. The overall aesthetic prioritizes clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a minimalist approach. Think sleek fixtures, simple geometric shapes, and a focus on functionality. Open floor plans, optional while not always possible. Some contemporary bathrooms embrace a more open feel, promoting a sense of spaciousness. High-quality materials. Modern bathrooms prioritize high-quality materials that exude a sense of luxury. Glass, stainless steel, and polished wood are popular choices. Natural stone makes a statement. Focal point feature. Natural stone can be used to create a stunning focal point in your bathroom. This could be a statement wall behind the bathtub, a luxurious shower surround, or even a unique vanity countertop. Elegantly veined options. Stones like marble, granite, or even some types of onyx offer beautiful natural veining patterns that add visual interest and a touch of elegance. Textural contrast. Natural stone provides a beautiful textural contrast to the smooth surfaces of modern fixtures and vanities. Durable and easy to maintain. Many natural stones, when properly sealed, are surprisingly durable and easy to maintain in a bathroom setting. Color palette, neutrals and monochromes. Contemporary bathrooms often favor neutral color palettes like white, gray, or black. Natural stone can complement these colors beautifully, with some stones offering subtle variations in hue. Pops of color, optional while a neutral palette reigns supreme. Some contemporary bathrooms incorporate pops of color through towels, artwork, or even small design elements. Overall feel, a contemporary bathroom with natural stone offers a unique blend of sophistication and natural beauty. The clean lines and minimalist approach of contemporary design are perfectly complemented by the timeless elegance and textural richness of natural stone. Variations of contemporary natural stone bathrooms. Spa-like serenity. Create a tranquil spa atmosphere with light-colored natural stones, calming lighting, and freestanding bathtubs. Luxury retreat. Opt for darker stones like black granite or dramatic marble veining patterns for a luxurious and sophisticated feel. Minimalist zen. Embrace a minimalist approach with clean lines, light-colored natural stones, and uncluttered vanities. No matter the chosen variation, a contemporary bathroom design with natural stone offers a unique and beautiful way to create a luxurious and sophisticated space for relaxation and rejuvenation. Why embrace the allure of natural stone in your contemporary bathroom? There's a reason natural stone continues to be a sought-after choice for contemporary bathroom design. Here's why you might consider this luxurious and timeless combination. Effortless sophistication. Natural stone elevates the entire aesthetic of your bathroom. Its inherent beauty and timeless elegance create a space that feels luxurious and sophisticated, perfectly complementing the clean lines and minimalist approach of contemporary design. Durability and longevity. When properly sealed, many natural stones are remarkably durable and easy to maintain in a bathroom setting. You'll enjoy a beautiful and functional space for years to come. A touch of nature. Natural stone brings a touch of the outdoors into your bathroom, creating a calming and spa-like atmosphere. This is especially true for bathrooms with limited natural light, as the stone adds a sense of organic texture and visual interest. Increased home value. A well-designed bathroom with high-quality natural stone can significantly increase the value of your property. It's a worthwhile investment that potential buyers appreciate. Versatility in design. natural stone comes in a wide variety of colors, patterns, and finishes. This allows you to personalize your bathroom and create a unique look that reflects your taste. Whether you prefer a sleek and minimalist aesthetic or a more dramatic and luxurious feel, there's a natural stone option to suit your vision. Getting started with your contemporary stone oasis. 1. Define your vision. Browse online resources, magazines, and bathroom showrooms to get a feel for different contemporary natural stone designs. Consider the overall atmosphere you want to create, calming and spa-like, bold and dramatic, or minimalist and zen. Identify specific elements that resonate with you and create a mood board for inspiration. 2. Choose the right stone. Research different types of natural stone, considering factors like durability, maintenance requirements, and of course, aesthetics. Popular choices for contemporary bathrooms include marble, granite, slate, and quartzite. Each offers unique characteristics in terms of color, veining patterns, and texture. 3. Consider scale and application. Think about where you want to incorporate natural stone. Will it be a statement wall, a shower surround, a vanity countertop, or a combination? The scale of the application will influence your stone selection. For larger areas, stones with bold veining patterns can be stunning, while for smaller spaces, subtler options might be preferable. 4. Expert advice. Optional. Consult with a qualified interior designer or bathroom renovation specialist. They can guide you on stone selection based on your desired look, functionality, and budget. They can also advise on layout planning, material compatibility, and ensure your vision translates into a beautiful and functional bathroom. 5. Sample selection. Always order samples of the natural stone you're considering. See how the color and veining patterns interact with your chosen lighting and other design elements in your actual bathroom space. By carefully considering these factors, you can embark on the journey of creating a stunning and luxurious contemporary bathroom with natural stone. This beautiful and functional space will not only be a haven for relaxation and rejuvenation but also a valuable investment in your home. Imagine a bathroom where modern design meets the beauty of nature. Natural stone in contemporary bathrooms offers a unique blend of sophistication and tranquility. Explore captivating design videos online and discover how to create your dream bathroom oasis. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.